Once you get your shoulder, that is your height. So your level of instrument will not be the same as this guy. The height difference. You understand? So when you put it to your shoulder, this is my height, right? Then you now lock the device. I hope you are watching.
Yes, sir.
Don't just lock it in. So lock it for me. After locking the device, then you know it consists of 3-legged. So mostly make sure the 2-legged facing you, the surveyor. This one. Mostly it should face you, the surveyor. Make sure it's level. Ideally, if you look at the top, if it's level, you roll it top. Yes, you are engineer. You are tanker man. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So after that, if it's a background, you now push it firmly to what? To the ground. Push it down firmly to the ground and do that. Why do you push it firmly to the ground? Hold that up. So that when you are reading, the instrument doesn't move. So this is the first point of what? The level. So leveling the tripod. Like I told you earlier on, make sure how this 3-legged goes. The foot screws also follow that. So the 2 will follow this, and the 3rd one follow that. So when you are done this way, then you now tighten this to that. It has even tried. This thing I've been using over. There's more than 2 days. So when you screw with the help of these knots, when you screw it to the instrument, you now observe the mercury. You know you cannot read when the mercury is not in the lid of the seat. So with the help of my foot screws, you manipulate this, and you keep on manipulating that.
What is that? I don't know what he is doing.
Give me the other. Give me that.
I think you asked question yesterday, that's what they told you. You asked question yesterday, that's what they told you.
You are student engineers. You have an association. You can get that membership before you graduate.
Jackson, that one.
They used to have students, engineers, like association.
So please listen. With the help of my foot skill, you manipulate. As you manipulate, you look at the bubble. The ground also counts because it's not in the bag. So you look at the bubble, keep on manipulating.
You know what is happening here.
Then there we go.
Should we all go and see what is happening?
You understand? Okay. Make sure it's in the middle. Exactly. Are we there?
Yes.
We are there. Okay. So you all go back. So that you review to.
I know that.
I should go back.
Nah, I think that back.
This place is very important. Okay. So we are done with the second process, leveling the instrument. So we now eliminate parallax. So individually, come back. Individually, I want everybody to have a grip. Don't rush, don't touch this. Don't touch this.
Just come and stand and do your highlights. Those that are wearing the specs. You are not fit.
So look one after the other. Don't rush, don't.